Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report. This is for Jeff in Tennessee. Jeff, there's your voltmeter right there. We left a big long pigtail for you. You wanted a voltmeter put on that thing. We're going to start here on the Truckerized radio with the RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. 20 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 125. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 300 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, about 775. Let's see here. What else? Oh yeah, clarifier is automatically unlocked from the factory on these. We have got your red fan right there, and the fan grill. High cut filter on the back. Alright, my friends, ready to come to you, but I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got Truckerized. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.